Try this absolutely delicious Bittergourd, pavakai or karela fry. Serve it at lunch or dinner with either chapathi or rice. Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Slice the Bittergourd into small pieces, then add some salt. Mix it well and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Heat about 3 tablespoons oil in a kadai. See, now the Bittergourd has become a bit soft. We'll add it to the oil and fry it till it is a bit crisp also. See, I have been frying it over a medium flame for about 6 to 7 minutes now. It has become nice and crisp. Now drain it out from the oil. Now to the same remaining oil, I am adding a little bit of mustard seeds, some jeera, 1 onion sliced, stir fry the onions, add some turmeric powder and chili powder. Also add a teaspoon of Dania Powder. This is Tamarind Paste. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon. If you have amchur powder, you can add that instead. Either one, just for the sourness. Let the masalas and the tamarind, everything get blended very well with the onions, and just cook it for another 1 or 2 minutes till the onion also becomes soft. Now add the fried Bittergourd to it. Mix everything well together. Finally, I am adding a teaspoon of Jaggery Powder. This will add to the taste of the Bittergourd, spicy, bitter, and that slight sweetness from the Jaggery Powder too. Allow it to cook for just another 2 minutes more and you can switch it off. It has all come together very well now. We can switch this off. Today I am serving this Bittergourd or a pavaka fry with murungakai or drumstick sambar, steaming hot rice and some ghee. Do try out this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. Share the recipe with your family and friends. And we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.